to another video. So today we will be doing this coloring sheet. It's pretty colorful. Not that colorful, but we're gonna make it colorful. Hold up. Make it colorful. So with me today, I've got my nice colors that we will be using. So let's just pick some colors. So for this color, I want to do this like a red. Like, I don't know what to say, but I'm thinking, let me pick. I'm kind of digging this color. I think it looks very red, but not that red to be exact. But yeah, so I'm going to get out this sheet. Might color this in the next video or something like that. Something crazy, but we might not. So I'm looking at number 3. Oh, that's a dark red. Oh, we don't need that because, like, on the sheet it's dark, like colored. I don't get it. So you need like a very bright red. What about number 15? Oh, that's a nice red. That's a nice red. We're gonna be using 15. This one here. So we're gonna be using this red. So with this red, let's just get going. So I'm gonna color just like those skinny lines there. Let's just get on to color. So I'm just doing these red lines. These skinny lines are red, and then the white lines are white. I'm going off like Minecraft. And guys, if you do play Minecraft, like, subscribe if you play Minecraft, and like if you don't play Minecraft, but you watch the mob vote, because I watched the mob vote for this year's mob. And I'm not going to spoil it if you haven't watched it, but it's pretty cool. So go on to Minecraft's YouTube channel. It's called Minecraft, and then with the creeper face, that's the one. So that's the one though. So so we're just doing this for today. Maybe next time we'll do like some other color sheets, because I have more where these came from. I have like a whole stash of them. You have like Batman ones, like we have then we have these ones. We have more of these, but different ones. But I'll actually show you. Oh, it's supposed to be this way, but I've done most of them. Just need to do this bottom. Just need to do this bottom one, and then we'll be set. So let's just do that very quick. Oh my gosh. Right. We've done all of them, really. That's it. But for the toppers, I want to do like, what color are we thinking? I don't know. I'm thinking like a green. I'm thinking green. Do you guys want a green for the toppers? No, I think blue. Like a very light blue, like maybe 102. Let's look on our color sheet. So on here, color 132. That's like close to the bottom. This is like very, here. Oh, that's a nice blue. I think we'll go with this one. So we're going with this color right here. Like, I'm trying to point it in my camera, but like, so I have to like, cause I had to put it on the side so then you guys can see. It's weird how like cameras work it, but like that. And then like, But let's get coloring. What we're gonna do is, you see those little, I'm not gonna do it with my pen, I'm just gonna do it with like pen rollers on. So here, like here, we're gonna do like blue, and then all on these little toppers. That's what we're gonna do. So it's very simple, very easy, and quick and easy. That's what I'm teaching. Yeah. So So, oh, I need to do this one. I've done most of them. Oh, the colour actually shows it. I thought it was too light to show, but like, yeah. So please subscribe, like actually, like, because it will help me this year. Because it'll help me. So please subscribe, because it will help me through. And if you do subscribe, I'll make better content than this. I'll probably do like some challenges, some like art challenges, like drawing videos. I should do drawing videos again, like I did a long time ago. I should do that again because you guys loved it. So just now I want fire. What's fire? That fire. I'm gonna use the same exact red as last time. It flips for you guys, but it's 15 for me. But so we're coloring the fire. We're coloring the fire here. That's better. So let's get coloring that. It's very quiet here. Like, I'm in my bedroom right now, and like everyone's downstairs. It's quiet. Yeah, like yeah. I'm trying not to get in that middle bit there, because that's where the like orange and the yellow and orange is gonna be. Should we do it orange and yellow, or yellow and then yellow and then orange? I think I'll do it orange yellow. Second, brightest to darkest. No, darkest to brightest. That's one. Right, next we need a. Let's put the red back. Oh, do we need the red? I might do light red. So guys, I'll go pick the color. Right guys, so I picked this orange, but we need to check it first. Let's get my beautiful coloring sheet. Let's see. So the number we're looking for is 14. 14. See, that's a good orange. Let's use our orange. We're using it for like the middle part, like here, we're using it for there. So the basic colors, so we're just gonna do like a tiny little layer of that. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Look at that, I forgot to fill in the red there. I'll do the red now, sorry. I forget things like this. That's kind of it. Not that I add the yellow. We're only gonna add the yellow where the yellow can fit on the paper. So I'm putting the orange back. We don't need it. We made the red back because we don't need it. Actually, we do. Keep that blue. Do not need that. Do not need this. Right. This is just not getting put in its slot right now. Right, guys, so that is basically it. But now we just need to do this and that. So I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, I was getting that yellow. Yeah. I want like this yellow. See, 35. Let's look on our color sheet. Let's look. But, 35. So that's a good yellow. Let's use this. We're gonna use this yellow. I'm gonna do it for here. So like that. It doesn't do anything. Oh, boss. Doesn't do anything. Can you even see it on camera? Yeah, you can see it like that. It actually looks pretty good on camera. At least it looks good on camera for you guys. But not for me. Right, now we're going to use this red. The fabulous red. Red's my favourite colour. So, we're going to do it for like this one here. We're going to do that. So basically, just like going over the line. So like, just like going, and then dotting where the dots are. Like, just like that, really. So this is pretty good so far. Right now we're just doing this. So this is like the main part of it. Is basically the bomb things, firework, explosions. I don't know what to call it. You can call it anything. Explosions, bombing, blah blah. But I'm just gonna call it firework explosion. I have no clue what it's actually called. Right, what should we do the other one? I don't know. You think? I'm thinking pink. Pink and red. Can smell. I have similar. So let's get pink. I want the lightest pink. This one is 84. So look at our color sheet. There's 80 markers and this is 84. 80 colors. Oh wait, doesn't matter about the actual thing, but yeah. Wait, so I want 28. Where's 20? Where's 28? 28 is middle. 28. Right, let's try 28 on the last one. And then video is So I'm just doing this. I think it's a boring thing in silence for you guys to watch. So I'll just skip this part, even though I'll skip this. Right guys, I finished that. There it is. There it is. There it is. But that's kind of it for today's video. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. So I will see you in the next one, and bye guys.